Hi everyone, in this video I want to highlight 6 soft skills for beginners in video editing. Aside from your hard skills, it is important to develop your soft skills because these soft skills, they are the individual traits that help a person interact with others in order to carry out a successful project. So when you find yourself in a workplace or anywhere, if you are an entrepreneur, it is important to develop these soft skills. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Number 1, patience. Video editing can be a very tedious task, especially for beginners. And even if you are not a beginner, we have some video editors who face so many challenges. For example, if you have a low-end gadget, it can be very frustrating, and some video editors in this sense, they easily lose their cool. Imagine you are editing a video and your system is always hanging. It can be very frustrating, but for you to navigate through that phase, you have to be patient. Number 2 is creativity. For you to produce a masterpiece, the creativity of the editor is needed. Creativity involves bringing concepts or ideas that will make your work very unique. So you don't want to be doing something the way other people are doing it. You want to do something that is different. It is your creativity that will enable you to produce a masterpiece. Number 3, communication. Communication is needed as a video editor because it will enable you get important feedbacks from your clients and from your team members. So these feedbacks will enable you to carry out a better job. So you need communication skills as a video editor to improve your skills or to carry out a successful job. Number 4, teamwork. The ability to work as part of a team will have a positive impact on your project. When you work with a team, it will encourage the sharing of ideas among your team members, and these ideas are very vital. They are very important to the success of a project. So teamwork is cool. You cannot do it alone. That is why you need people around you. Your idea is good, but when you get ideas from other people, it will make your job easier. Number 5 is problem solving. In situations where there are glitches, for example, you have a missing footage, a bad footage, a missing audio, or a bad audio, providing a solution when needed, or when you are in a critical position, or when the team is in a critical position, will make you stand out as a video editor. However, when you want to provide a solution, you should be careful not to allow it affect the creativity in that project. 6, flexibility. Beginners in video editing should learn to work with what they have. For example, when I started video editing, I do not have a quality system, and this low-end system cannot install latest software. I had to install the lower version. You know, when you install the lower version, there are some missing features that you will not be able to use. So with that, I was still able to achieve something till I was able to get a system that can install high-end softwares. In conclusion, beginners in video editing should learn to be flexible. We have come to the end of today's tips on video editing. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to learn more on video editing, I will share a video on how to edit video with Premiere Pro. Click the subscribe button, and if you have any question, use the comment box to ask your question. Bye for now. See you in my next video.